All right, let's talk about adding a high dollar upsell to maximize your profits. Okay. Having a high dollar upsell in place, it allows you to really kick up your business. Okay. When you have an offer that's priced at, over $97 or over $100 that converts well, you can afford to advertise and get more people into your funnel and ultimately make more sales. Okay, now this is huge. It's absolutely huge. Now, unlike an OTO, which I said it had to be your product, your upsell, it doesn't have to be your product. Okay, it can be an affiliate offer. You just need to make sure it's a really high quality product. That's very important. Okay, now some good high dollar upsells, okay, would be high end training or membership site. There's a lot of good higher end training out there, okay, in membership sites that would make very good upsells. All right. Done for you services. I've done a lot of these before, and they've been good upsells. Setting up websites for people or creating videos for people. A done for you service is where you're going to do the project, do the actual work for someone. Okay. Coaching and mentoring programs make excellent upsells. Okay. You can even put together your own coaching or mentoring program pretty easily. Okay, so long as you know the subject matter or can learn it very well. All right. But there's a lot of different coaching and mentoring affiliate programs that are out there. All right. Now, if you can't find a high dollar product, you could bundle together several different products into one larger package. Okay. I've done that many, many different times. All right. Bundle together, if you're selling products, for $10, bundle together 10 or 20 different products into $100 package. Okay, just bundle it into something bigger. All right. Now, when you are first starting out, you really can skip this step. You can skip the upsell. Okay, if it's too overwhelming to you or you can't find something, but once you do have your funnel set up with a squeeze page and an OTO and you're bringing in leads, you really should get a high dollar offer into your funnel as soon as possible. It really can be the difference between making hardly any money or just breaking even or having a business that turns very small profits to making enough money to scale up your business and really profit like mad. Okay? I used to have products where I just had one upsell, okay, and it topped out at like $10. Once I added a higher dollar upsell, like $97, my income, it really increased. So I definitely recommend as soon as you can to have some sort of upsell in place. It'll really take your business to new levels.